Section 3.1, Introduction to Equations. Our vocabulary first. An equation is two equal expressions. It has an equal sign. A solution is a number that makes the equation true. To solve an equation means to find the solution, and it is usually written as x equals something. Our first question we're going to answer is the given value a solution to the equation? Is -6 a solution to the equation 4x plus 3 equals -2x minus 9? We are going to substitute that -6 in for the x in our equation. 4 times -6 plus 3 equals 2 times -6 minus 9. We're going to simplify both sides of the equation. So we'll have -24 plus 3 equals -12 minus 9. -24 plus 3 is -21. -12 minus 9 is -21. We have equal expressions on both sides of the equation. So yes, -6 is a solution to 4x plus 3 equals 2x minus 9. Is -2/3 a solution of 4 minus 6x equals 9x plus 1? We're going to substitute -2/3 in for x in our equation. 4 minus 6 times -2/3 equals 9 times -2/3 plus 1. Simplify, and we have 4 plus 4 equals -6 plus 1. Combining our values on both sides of the equation, we have 8 and we have -5. 8 does not equal -5. So no, x equals -2/3 is not a solution to 4 minus 6x equals 9x plus 1. Here we're going to solve the equation. X minus 8 equals -12. To solve the equation, we're trying to get the variable by itself. So we need to get rid of that -8. We get rid of -8 by adding 8 to both sides. -8 plus 8 is 0. On the left side, we just have x. On the right side, we have -12 plus 8. -12 plus 8 equals -4. X equals -4. -8 equals 7 plus x. With the variable, we have a plus 7. We're going to get rid of that plus 7 by subtracting 7 from both sides. 8 minus 7 is -15. 7 minus 7 is 0. -15 equals x. We write it with the variable first. X equals -15. 3x equals -12. What's the operation between the 3 and the x? It's multiplication. And to undo multiplication, we divide. We're going to divide by 3 on both sides of the equation. 3 divided by 3 is 1. So we are left with 1x equals -4. 3/4 times x equals -9. We are going to multiply by the reciprocal. And what's the reciprocal of 3/4? 4/3. 4/3 times 3/4 is 1. So on the left side of the equation, we just have an x. On the right side of the equation, we need to multiply -9 over 1 times 4/3. X equals -12. x divided by 3 equals 2. How do we undo divided by 3? We multiply by 3 on both sides of the equation. X equals 6. Negative y over 2 equals 5. That's division by negative 2. So on both sides of the equation, we're going to multiply by negative 2. Undoing the division, we're left with y equals negative 10. (5x minus 9x equals 12). Here we have like terms that we need to combine. 5x minus 9x is negative 4x equals 12. Undo that multiplication between the negative 4 and the x by dividing on both sides by negative 4. Negative 4 divided by negative 4 equals 1. X equals 12 divided by negative 4 is negative 3. Negative 4x minus 8x equals 16. Combine like terms. Negative 4x minus 8x is negative 12x equal to 16. We're going to divide by negative 12 on both sides. Negative 12 divided by negative 12 is 1. So we have x equals 16 over negative 12, which reduces to 4 over negative 3. Negative 4/3. Section 3.1, Intro to Equations.